We are going to attempt to solve this differential equation with an initial condition. And so it is a first order linear differential equation, and we're going to get it into shape here by dividing everything by 2x first. There we go. So I believe I did that right. So first, we're going to look for the integrating factor, which is this, the 1 over 2x, or the negative 1 over 2x, the part in front of the y. And we're going to integrate that. So negative 1/2 is constant. This is just negative 1/2 ln of x, pretty easy. And then we're going to exponentiate that to get the integrating factor. So e to the negative 1/2 ln of the absolute value of x. Looks like everything's positive here, so I'm going to ignore the absolute value. We have e to the ln of x to the negative 1/2, or just 1 over the square root of x, like so. So that's our integrating factor. So the solution is just now plugging this in. It would be 1 over that integrating factor times the integral of our cube part, which is x cubed. Our cube part, which is x squared over 2 minus 1/2, times the integrating factor times dx. So now we're going to have to integrate this. Doesn't look too bad. X cubed over 3. Oh, no, I just missed something. I have to multiply the 1 over root of x in, of course, so it's x to the 3/2 over 2 minus 1 over 2x to the negative 1/2 up here. Now I'm good to integrate. So I have root of x times, this is x to the 5/2 times 2/5, which would be 1/5 out here, and x to the 1/2 times 2. That worked out nicely, and a plus c. So that's what y equals. I know I have initial conditions, so I'm going to use that right now. We have y of 4 equals 2. So 2 equals the square root of 4 times 1 over 5 times, we're plugging in 4 here. So it's the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 to the 5th is 32. Minus, again, the square root of 4, which is 2, plus c. So we have 2 equals 64 over 5 minus 4 plus 2c. Don't forget to multiply the c by 2. I'm going to multiply everything by 5 right now. So I have 10c is going to equal 64 minus 20 is 44. Subtract it over here, negative 34. I'm getting C equals negative 34 over 10, or just negative 17 over 5. So the solution to my differential equation is y equals square root of x times the quantity 1/5 x to the 5 halves minus x to the 1/2 minus the c, which is 17 over 5. And I think I'm going to multiply the square root of x through. It just looks like it's going to simplify things. So 1/5 x to the 1/2 times x to the 5 halves is x to the 6 halves, x cubed, minus x to the first, and then finally minus 17 over 5 root of x. I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully that's right. That's the particular solution to my original differential equation. And that's that.